Hi, I'm Patty Dower, and this is Resource KC's 3 and 3. An important vote is coming up for Missourians on August 4th. Missouri Realtors is urging its members to vote no on both Amendments 4 and 5. Amendment 4 would change Missouri's century-old Citizens Initiative process. Instead of a simple statewide majority, it would require a majority of every congressional district, letting voters in just one district veto the will of the entire state. Amendment 5 would make significant changes to Missouri tax structure by allowing the expansion of sales tax on services that have traditionally not been taxed, including real estate commissions, home repairs, legal services, and more. KCRAR encourages all Missouri voters to vote no on Amendments 4 and 5. New features and updates are coming to Heartland MLS Matrix next month. A new photographer portal will allow agents to invite photographers to collaborate in the listing creation process directly from the listing manager screen or from the photo manager screen. The listing manager will also be updated with new enhancements, including a large photo viewer, allowing agents to open any image to a full-size view and flip through photos one at a time. Learn more about these Matrix features in the Cotality Learning Lab. Also launching will be a new resource called Ad Builder, which will allow users to launch targeted paid social media campaigns for their listings directly through Matrix. More information to come from Heartland MLS on these new tools. Applications to run for KCRAR Board of Directors will be opening at the end of this month. The Board of Directors is the decision-making body for KCRAR, made up of elected KCRAR members. 4 seats will be opening on the board for terms beginning in January 2027. Kansas at-large broker representative, small firm representative, and 2 Kansas at-large directors. Keep an eye on your inbox later this month for application details. And that's your July 3 and 3. Thanks for watching. See you next time.